At 15 Ogrodowa Street we find the Museum of the City of Łódź, or Palace of the Poznański family. It's one of the most famous Łódź film locations, as well as one of the most beloved by filmmakers themselves, including the ones acknowledged by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. In the Oscar-nominated The Promised Land by Andrzej Wajda, it was here that Borowiecki visited Buchholz, traversing a sumptuous staircase to then witness the famous scene of burning letters in a fireplace. The fireplace remains impressive, but it's good to remember that in the mid-70s it was already inactive, since the building became centrally heated as early as beginning of 20th century. The Museum of the City of Łódź houses an actual Academy Award statuette awarded to L'amour de la vie, a 1969 documentary made by François Reichenbach and devoted to Arthur Rubinstein. It was made to commemorate the musician's 70th birthday. The Oscar was awarded in the Best Documentary Feature category, winning against a film documenting the recent Mexico City Olympics, as well as Emile de Antonio's famed anti-war manifesto In the Year of the Pig. Agnieszka Holland, nominated for Bitter Harvest, Europa Europa, and In Darkness, also worked in this building, using it as a location for her Netflix TV series 1983. A multiple Oscar nominee is David Lynch, who partially shot his film Inland Empire in this building. Nominated for Best Direction for films as diverse as The Elephant Man and Blue Velvet, Lynch is a big Łódź devotee who visited the city repeatedly and said often how inspired he was by the city's unique post-industrial vibe as well as by its people. The dreamy, ambiguous Inland Empire was largely shot in Łódź, partly inside the building you are now looking at.